We needed a cold fogger and sprayer, so we decided to go with this Lanion, and this is what it looks like in the box. Let's get it out of there and take a look at it. So here it is out of the box. It's got a very long cord. I think they said it's like 13 feet or 15 feet or something, and it uses a three-prong outlet at the end. You can adjust the rate of the flow with this little screw. You just fill it up at the back here, and you can adjust this and have it either pointed up or down. It's nice because you don't have to constantly keep the power button. It's just got a switch. You turn it on, you turn it off, and it's just going to run until it's empty. It's a really nice unit. It got a lot of great reviews on it. You can use this in the yard for fumigating or getting things out onto plants. You can use it like in a crawl space to again fumigate or to get rid of pests, and lots of different uses. You can even use it for sterilizing large areas. So lots of uses for this one, and for us this is the perfect size of fogger. Hope this helps.